Hi-ho, my lovelies. Hope everybody's doing good. So, you can hear the kiln on. I'm making some more glass. I've got to get my act together. Right, this is a token. I got this in that bag of coins I get from the second-hand place. This is a store in Helsinki called Stockman's, and this was the 125-year celebration, 1862 to 1987. I can't find any information on it. It's worth about three euros, so it's not worth anything. But I think it'll make a beautiful ring. It's quite a big coin as well, like bigger than a big thing. Right, so first of all, we've got to punch a hole in it, and it's a big coin. So I'll use a big punch. Right, and it's bronze. So yeah, I can't find any more. I don't know, but the value is about, I don't know, 3 euros for it. It ain't worth anything. So what did you think of the first attempt on the glass? I've just cut a load more glass there. There's some in the kiln. I have to go to Tampere to buy some more glass, because the glass shop I used to get my stuff from, it closed down because of COVID. They weren't using it, so that was the end of that. Shame, those really nice people as well. Okay, that's through, and she's leaking again. Look at that. She's a naughty girl. Right. I think this is the biggest coin I've done. Hope it fits. I can't find my big Swedish wrap. I haven't thrown it out and I was tidying up. If not, I should buy another one, I suppose. Oh, Tim from Wisconsin. Thanks for your comment, mate. Yeah, I just be me, you know. I can't just sit here and make a coin ring. I have to talk. Yeah, I have to chat, you know. And I think it makes more, you know, a bit more fun for you guys. Same colour, look. I was just about to go around there with the glass cutter. Stupid boy. Right. This is a deburring tool called Christy Burr. We just want to clean up them edges to make sure they're nice and clean. Okay, looking good. Was that in shot then? Probably not, knowing me. Right, let's show some love with Bernie. What's going on here? Where's Jaws? There he is. Yeah, I think this is going to make quite a sexy looking ring. Yeah, I can't find any information about it. Obviously it's the 125-year anniversary, but there you go, that should do. My table's starting to look messy again. I've got glass and coins now. So I'm going to have to tidy it up. I mean, I plan to just do coins and then put all the coins, you know, put all the stuff away from the coins and make glass. Otherwise I've got stuff everywhere and it ain't going to work that way, is it? So this is Swedish. We don't have any Swedish. And this looks like the nicest side. So we'll put that face down in my wrong size stepping block. We go over to the one and only Big Red, Big Bad Red. Right, let's give it a bit of the old 1-2. I'm glad you liked your coins, Gary. Hopefully you can do something with them. So now we just want to clean up this edge. Is it going to fit though? Yes, it is. So we just want to clean up this inside edge, make sure there's no chasms. Bloody hell, look at it, man. Crazy ring. I had a tooth out yesterday. It's been hurting for ages. I tried to take it out myself. I said to the dentist, I said, yeah, I said, it's really wiggly. I said, I'll try to take it out myself. Because I've taken a few teeth out myself. And he said, ain't that bloody wiggly. So there I was, gripping onto the arms. But it's a nice bloke, so. That weren't too bad, was it? 158 euros. I'm in an X-ray, and I was sat in the chair for about half an hour. Because he had to be careful with it, because it had a crown evidently, and he didn't want it to break, so. But yeah. Right, let's whack it in. A 17-degree folding die. I'll tell you what, it's really thick. Let's show it a bit more love. Yeah, I think I'll be able to get them trichromatic glass pendants sorted out. It took a long time because it was my first one, so. And getting the coin right, that takes the time, but I think I'm going to try something different. It doesn't have to be exactly inside out. I mean, I can still do something similar, but hopefully a darn sight easier or quicker. My gas is getting a bit low. Hopefully I've got enough to do this one. There's no power in it at the moment. No power. Lack of power. Right, there we go. Get it level-ish. Right, let's go over to Big Red again. I wish I could position these a bit better for you to get a bit more, but it's pretty restrictive, really. One day. Right, let's give it a bit of 1-2. Oh yeah. But it's not going down equal. That ain't too bad. As soon as you touch it. You naughty boy. That ain't too bad. It is what it is. Right, what we got? Look at the bloody, very pronounced detail on there. Crazy, eh? Stockman's. I don't suppose I'll ever sell this as a ring. I might wear it myself if nobody wants it. There's a little bit of a, it's not a crack, maybe that's better. She's a good one. Right, I need some more kitchen roll, which I don't seem to find at the moment, so I'll have to use an old piece. You know, it's one of them days, guys. I've got glass on the table, bloody coins on the table. Just stood on a bit of glass chipping from yesterday, or today. This is Spike, my ring stretcher. Needs more. Give it a bit of a turn each time. That way it stretches your ring equally all the way round. Come on, stop it. It's so bloody childish. Come on. How's that looking? Still a bit of a bow in it. I showed a bit more love with Bernie. Okie dokie. I think we're there. Right. Get a couple more pumps. Still off the fags. I don't know how many days it is now. 8, 10, 12. How's that looking? Yeah, see the bow's gone out of it? I mean, the bloody hell, the walls are nearly straight. Look at the side of it, it's crazy, eh? I like it. I don't know if I can walk around with a Stockman ring on that. It's a big not superstore, department store. It used to be really good, but it's sort of gone down, you know. They've closed lots of bits of it off and they don't sell what they used to sell. It's a shame, really. You know, the good thing going and they change it. Then I wonder why people don't go there. I think I went a bit too far. Let's go back again. There you go. Walls are nice and straight. And we don't have a lip on the inside. So let's break out the one and only. Let's see if he's plugged in. Yes, he is. Right. This is Kate Bush. The default drop when that kiln switch is on is unbelievable. Listen. There you go. But it doesn't cost a lot to run that kiln, believe it or not. About €1 or €1 per firing. I don't like that. It's I don't need it, but it looks a bit, you know. I think it's just the different thicknesses. Yeah, wait a minute. It's just the different thicknesses of the different metals. That's why it looks a bit sad. It's not sharp. Yeah, that is just the different sizes. See that little lump sticking out there? That's part of the S. So, yeah, let's keep it as it is. How do I polish this one? Or leave it as... I must admit, I really like it. It's totally unique, totally different. I don't know if I'll ever find another one of these. But there you go. You still got the detail on the inside. That's why I use all the... yeah. What size we got? On the old Yankee Doodle magic wand, we have a size 13.5. Yeah, 13.5. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. Oh, it fits that perfectly. I might put it. I'll put it in the shop, but I ain't bothered if I don't sell it. I'll just keep it on. Yeah, I like it. And you know what? It fits that finger perfectly. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me yesterday, and we'll do it again sometime. I mean, it's too much hassle. I don't know if you want to see me making them all the bloody time, but yeah. Anyway, have a good one. See you tomorrow. Tell me bye bye.